Vito here doing our drawing for September. Instead of doing a gift basket or a gift card, because the holidays are around the corner, we are drawing to win 2 raffle tickets for the Rotary's Festival of Trees. And what that is you can choose from several Christmas trees that are fully decorated with $1,000 of gifts. So if you win, I'll give you a little bit more information, but trust me, it is a really cool gift and it supports our community. So let's find out who our winner is. And remember, as always, the way that you enter to win is to like us on Facebook or to be signed up for our newsletter. You can also email me at amy@amysrealestate.com or call or text me 360-831-4290. And here we go for this month's winner. Jordan Carnahan. Congratulations, Jordan.